Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how I cook chayote and tempeh curry with coconut milk. This is one of our family's favorite. And super for vegetarians too. Just change the chicken stock for a vegetable stock. These chayote are very cheap in Bali. You can make it all of it only for 3,000 rupiah. And also, this vegetable has lots of nutrition, so do please Google it. As we're living in Bali, tempeh is one of our everyday food. So I added today to the curry for some proteins. You also can add tofu, chicken or prawns if you wish to. So here we are, all the ingredients I'm going to use later. Chayote, tempeh, chili powder, curry powder, red shallot, salt, sugar, thick coconut milk, vegetable oil, garlic, shallot, kaffir lime leaf, big red chili, lemongrass, ginger, turmeric, galangal, candle nut, coriander seed, white peppercorn, fresh water, and chicken stock. So let's make it. First, I'm going to brush the lemongrass and galangal. Let's put it aside. And now I'm going to prepare the tempeh. I cut it into these small pieces. You can also make a bigger one. Now let's prepare the chayote. I'm going to use only one chayote for this recipe. So just give a little brush. If you have a very sensitive skin, I suggest to use the gloves, plastic gloves, I mean. Take the seed. And peel the skin. So I'm going to use knife for this part. Now let's slice it. Now we're going to make a yellow paste. So starting with chopping the garlic, shallot, ginger, turmeric, candle nut, chili. I'm going to remove the seed. Add the coriander seed, white peppercorn, some fresh water. Blend it until smooth. So it's ready, let's just put it aside. So now let's turn on the cooker into medium and I add vegetable oil, Just wait for a few seconds and we will add the yellow paste. So this is hot enough. Cook it for around 1 minute. Keep stirring it. And add lemongrass and galangal. Add the chicken stock. And add tempeh. Half tablespoon of curry powder. A quarter teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it well. I'm waiting until reach the boiling point, and after that we will turn down the heat. So now it's been boiling, so I'm going to turn down the heat into medium to low and simmer for 5 minutes. So now let's add the chayote. Mix well. Cook it for another 5 minutes or until the chayote halfway cooked, not too mushy. While we're waiting the curry, let's slice the big red chili. So it's been 5 minutes. I'm going to add kaffir lime leaf. And slice big red chili. Stir it. Add the coconut milk. Half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of sugar. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes and keep stirring it. If it's your curry too dry, you always can add for 2 tablespoons of fresh water. Smells so yummy. I can't wait to try it, I have to say. So now it's ready, let's plate it. Now let's slice some big red chili for garnish. First I will add some fresh shallot, kaffir lime leaf, and chilies. So here we are, chayote and tempeh curry with coconut milk. This is best to serve with warm steamed rice. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and I will see you in my next video. Matur Suksma, bye bye!